Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Talha and I am making this video to support my special education therapists, teachers, colleagues and friends who are working in special field with these children in government and private sector. Firstly, there is a misconception about this field that it's very easy to work with these children because they cannot learn too much or do too much things, and it's a teaching profession as well. So it's not true, because we are working with those children who are very different to the others, and people who knows this field and working with in this field, and parents and relatives of these children, and knows how difficult to work with these children and to teach them and to train them. And being a therapist, I feel proud and we all feel proud that we are working with angels. So in for the therapists or special educationists or teachers, those who are working in the government sectors, they are working with more than 5 or 7 or 10 children at the same time, or they are dealing with them, they are teaching them, they are training them, and they are training to live a life, if not normal, but fully normal, but close to the normal life. So hats off to all of you, and keep it up. And for the private sectors, those who are working in the private sectors, on the basis of my experience from the private sector, I can tell you it's very hard and it's very difficult to work in private sectors, because the expectations and the demands of the parents are too much high, and demands of the organization also too much high from the teachers. They put too much pressure on the teachers to produce a result from these children. um, and in all these things, a teacher or therapist become the sandwich, because they have to first deal the children, they have to satisfy the organization, they have to produce and show the result to the parents as well, and more than this, they have the pressure of being kicked out of the school or that organization without knowing what they have done wrong or where they have done wrong. So hats off to all of you, those who are working in the private sector, and Allah Almighty is with you. And one more thing, there is a view that teachers who have studied here and trained here and working with these children here are being tagged as a local staff members or local staff teachers. So, and they have been shown to the others that it's our local staff, or those who study abroad and came here and dealing with these children, given the status of the elite staff. But with due respect to all of those, we are not less to any of them or any of those who studied abroad or came here. uh, Allah is the best judge. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.